Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can highlight body part on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, I'm going to highlight body part using CapCut Mobile. So first of all, open up your CapCut Mobile application on your phone. And then we're going to create new project. But here, I'm just going to open up my project. This is the project I have just created, and for example, I'm going to highlight this body part. If you want to highlight something on our video, I recommend you to use like image color. You can get it from the internet, or you can download it from the CapCut library. And for me, I'm just going to download it from the CapCut library. So I'm going to click on the overlay. Wait, I'm going to click on overlay button and add overlay. And then I'm going to go to the CapCut library. Then I'm going to use this image to highlight body part on my video. Okay, I'm going to add this image. Alright, and then we're going to use mask. But wait, I'm going to make it align with my video. Okay, wait, I think I need to cut the video to make the process faster. Okay, and click on the red image and then go to the mask menu. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find mask, this one. And then I'm going to choose the circle mask, and you can adjust the size like this. Click on the check mark, and then you can move it here on the body part. Okay, and wait, I'm going to rotate it. You can use your two fingers to rotate the mask. Okay. Alright, and then we can adjust the feather. Wait, I'm gonna go back to the mask, and then we can click on adjust and then adjust the feather. Okay, to blend it like this. Okay, and I think it's perfect. And to make it more natural, I recommend you to blend the video. I'm gonna click on the splice menu. I'm going to choose this one, overlay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to highlight body part on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.